Hey guys, so today I am super excited to share with you that I am hosting the world's first free makeup store. Yes, you heard me right. All of this makeup I'm giving away for free to you guys for supporting me, showing me so much love, and I just wanted to give back. We've got the cruelty-free and vegan BTB cosmetics. I've got the new MUA foundation in all sorts of shades. One of my favorite products that I've used in countless videos is the 8-Hour Cream by Elizabeth Arden, which I absolutely love and I use every day basically. We've got some chubby sticks from Clinique, another brand that I adore. My absolute favorite fragrance by Initio. This costs £250, guys, and I'm giving it away. And oh my god, guys, I'm super excited to show you the brands that I have at the front. I adore. I had to have Fenty today. And I have my absolute favorite highlighter, which is the Trophy Wife highlighter. Amazing. The very popular eyeliners that I use quite a lot. One of my favorite lip balms by Dr. Lip. And Too Faced. We all know how amazing this mascara is. And if you don't know, you're about to know. You guys are amazing. I'm so excited. Honestly, you guys don't understand how exciting this is for me. I didn't think it would be this crazy. But it is. I'm so excited. I'm shaking from excitement. Just seeing all of this come to life is just, oh my god, it's just the best feeling ever.
Let's go.
Hey guys! Thank you so much for coming. No way!
Habibti, all the way from I'm gonna show some love. No, Habibti's fine. Wallah, don't worry.
You're so sweet. Thank you. I really appreciate you being here.
No, honestly, it's
and I
fine.
hope the wait is everybody gets a gift today. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
Security.
Whatever you want, choose whatever you want. You have the best choice because you're the first people and there's lots to choose from. Sorry guys, it's really crazy outside.
I'm sorry, Habiba, I'm very sorry.
Yeah, of course.
So basically, we need more security or they're going to shut down.
Would have happened to anybody. Don't get me wrong. Don't worry about it.
At the corner so people can't see.
We're very sad, Habiba.
If we take her out this side, yeah, and then we just have to create a barrier.
It's actually just through it, you know? You get your hands just through it. Like this, you just go like that, you through it.
We're not in a position for it to go out right now. Okay, no. So you have to wait for a little bit.
Ride with them. We should just throw a block party.
Overwhelmed. I didn't imagine this at all. I did not expect this.
Habiba, can you say it's cancelled? Just say that. Just say
something. I just want to say thank you for. Go on, because of my voice.
Yo guys, everyone listen up!
Just 1 second. Everyone keep your voices down for a second. Alright. Habiba just wants to say something.
First of all, I just want to say thank you for coming. I know a lot of you guys traveled really far to come, and I really love you guys so, so much. But I'm really sorry to say that the shop has to close today because we didn't realize there will be this many people. We're going to be giving away everything to everyone. As many people as possible. Online. I love you guys too. I love you. It's been a really emotional hour. Security on this road wouldn't allow anybody to queue the way that they've been queuing, and then the police came and they literally shut everything down. There was a lot of craziness, there was a lot of chaos, nothing that we expected. One of the main things I wanted to do today to really give back and meet every one of you personally. I'm going to be giving away everything we have here and more. So there's going to be hundreds and hundreds of winners. We're going to try and do this again differently. This is the first time we try this, but hopefully next time it can be much better. Hopefully. Thank you guys so much for coming, the people that came, and I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much, honestly. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you too. I love you too. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. I love you too.
Look up and go.
Wait, I need to get Habiba!
Bye.
And that was the end of the show. Guys, I'm still stunned at how everything ended. Basically, we had everything organized. There was a queue going down the right-hand side of the shop. Everything was fine. Everybody was being very well behaved until the security on the road decided to tell us that queuing on the right-hand side of the shop was not allowed. So we had to move everybody to the left-hand side. And during this process, everyone was running. It was something like a stampede, basically. So people were being pushed down. There was people fainting. People with wheelchairs were getting pushed about. So it was really unsafe. And then gradually so much more people came, over 1,000 people for sure, and that's when the police were called in and it became just a sea of human beings. That's all I can explain it as. It was around 3 p.m. we were like, do you know what, let's just let people in and start the process so that we don't get shut down and we can let people actually get some of the makeup and get into the shop, basically, which is what we did. We actually let in 2 batches of people and they got their gifts and we met them and everything, but then the police told us that that's it, shut down. Had to escort me out of the premises because nobody would leave. It took a couple hours for people to completely leave the area, but it was just insane. But all in all, we've learned a huge lesson. The team has learned a huge lesson, and we are going to redo this event. It's going to be bigger, it's going to be better, it's going to be much more organized, and I'll be giving you guys more details about that very soon. I'm so excited to do this properly because I know the concept was never done before and it was amazing, and I know you guys love the concept as well. Unfortunately, we can't just gift over 1,000 people because we weren't accommodating to that, but we will try our best to gift as many people as we possibly can. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it was all over the place and crazy, but I just want to shout out my team and everybody involved. You guys really helped me out and really made this possible for me, even though we couldn't actually finish off the event. But I couldn't have done it without you guys, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.